Alright, this is a basic tutorial for how to access and participate in class discussions in the online classroom, as well as for submitting your rough drafts and essays through the D2L online classroom. So the first thing I want to talk about is discussions. There are two ways to access discussions. One of them is to go to the content and find the discussion you're supposed to access, click on it, and go to it, and then you will start a new thread. And once you started a new thread, that will be your discussion post, and then other people can respond to that, and you can respond to them, and it's all good, clean fun. The other way to access that is, of course, to just go over here to discussions, and we'll have our summer discussions, and there's the same discussion one. Click on it, and you see you go to the same page, right? So you can start a new thread. Say, what I've asked you to do for this discussion is to just talk a little bit about your primary text, what your early research questions are, right? So let's say I'm writing about The Office. Of course, I would probably try to capitalize it correctly and things like that. And I want to know why it's so good. Obviously, you need to do more than that. This is just an example, right? But once you've written whatever you need to write, probably 3 or 4 sentences at least, click post, and it'll be up there, right? And then people can check it out. So I can go click on it, and I can then reply to it, right? Oh, cool story, bro. And then that's that. So that's how you deal with the discussion, right? So now we have a whole discussion going that has absolutely no value, but it's a good example of how to do this. So again, you can access discussion by going to content or by going straight to discussion. Now, in order to turn in your rough drafts and your papers and everything you need to turn in this semester, you simply go to the Dropbox and go to whichever assignment it is. They're all up there. The first one you have is your Essay 1 rough draft. Simply click on that, click on Add a File, Upload, then you can just go, grab any, let's see, we'll submit something from my dissertation, why not? Grab any old file, add it, and then here's the really important part. You've got to be sure that you click Submit here, right? If you don't click submit, you won't submit. So make sure you do that. And once you do that, you should get an email from, let's see, confirmation email sent successfully. You should then get an email letting you know that you've done that. So if you don't get an email, try it again. If you get an email, you're good. Your assignment is submitted. That should cover how to do that. If you have any questions, let me know.